Wake up. It's time to wake up. Wow, Fauna really did a number on you guys, huh? I had to go and revive the whole earth and all of you using just a bit of my golden apple powers. Hey, you're wondering who this strange woman is who revived you? Well, you could ask a little bit more respectfully, but I don't mind telling you a little about myself. And I think I have just the way to do it. 1 second. Okay, so I was just wandering around in the woods, like I do, and I found this big book. So let's see what this book has to say about me. Let's see what they think they know. Wisha. So my name, Ceres Fauna, or Ceres Fauna. Usually I go by Fauna. A lot of people were calling me Ceres, which is okay. If you want to be extra formal, that's okay. But I don't mind. I prefer Fauna. So Fauna, Fauna-chan, anything works. And it looks like there's some personal details here, huh? They really just reveal it all in these field guides. I guess that's the purpose. My race, I'm a Kirin, the mythological Kirin. You'll have to go do some more research on your own, but that's why I have these horns. They look like branches. They're not deer antlers. No matter what a certain first tweet told you, I'm not a deer. Kirin. My age? See, this one is a little sensitive too. You know, I know a lot of you have been calling me Mama, Mommy. Even the stream title seems to say Mama. I don't know who wrote that. But I've always viewed myself as more of a big sister type, One-san type. But that's not to say I don't like Mama. You can call me Mama if you want. I am Mother Nature after all, so maybe it just comes with the territory. But I'm not that old. See, I'm not that old. I'm only 4.5. 4.5 billion. So not so old. My height. You know, I feel really tall compared to a lot of Holo men. But whenever I go out into, you know, whenever I leave my forest and go see humans, sometimes I do want to go see what you guys are up to. I feel more average height. So 164 centimeters, or about 5'4.5", I think. My birthday, I'm only gonna tell you once, so you better remember it, because I won't forgive you if you forget. Well, maybe if you ask me nicely, I'll forgive you, but you might get this face first. Oh, now we have some more personal details. Ina, I see you in chat, Ina. Konfana, Ina. Wow. So here are some of my likes and just a few dislikes. I love animals. I absolutely love animals with my whole heart. Animals just make the world a better place. I love them so much. I'm sure you should expect it from Mother Nature, but I really, they're just the best. I wish to spend all of my days with animals. you know, I know that there's more to nature than just animals. There's also plants and fungi and protists, etc. But I have a soft spot for animals. My name is Fauna for a reason and not Flora, so you know, maybe a mother shouldn't pick favorites, but I mean, have you just looked at animals? I also like drawing. I'm no pro though. I did the art for my loading screen, the little chibi Fauna. And I did the little art for my intro video, and I did all my layouts and stuff too, but again, I'm no pro. I also love tea. I will probably be drinking tea during most of my streams. But I'm a bit particular about how I take my tea, as I think most tea drinkers are. I drink it just hot tea, no milk, no sugar. That's perfect for me. But of course, I won't judge you. I won't judge you, even if you pour in like 20 packets of sugar. Is the golden apple edible? Of course it is. How do you think I revived you? I had to shove a golden apple in each one of your mouths. After Sana destroyed the earth. It's a bit of a process, but you know, nothing I can't handle. And I don't have a fan name yet, but I did see some people were saying Faunatics. I think that's pretty good. But maybe there could be other ideas as well. And also my Oshi mark it's called the herb, but to me it doesn't really look like an herb. It looks more like a branch. And it reminds me of my horns, my branch horns. So that's why I picked it. So feel free to use that emote or emoji if you want to represent me. I would be honored. And for my future streams, I want to do weekly ASMR because I am an ASMR artist. I do ASMR. A lot of people have said my voice is relaxing, and I really appreciate that because that's kind of my whole goal, I guess. Well, sorry. Let's have a closer look at me, but look respectfully. Okay. What? Where'd she go? Where did I go? Okay. Starting from the feet, as is tradition. Yes, bare feet, not for any weird reason, because I'm Mother Nature, yes. And I have one anklet, and I have one sock, and I always make sure my toes are properly pedicured. If they're going to be on display, they better be pretty. And you can see my skirt. I have a little bit of frills. I love pretty frilly clothes, so I'm really happy that I get to wear these. I have this pretty ribbon and pretty gem and lots of flowers in my hair. And yeah, that's about it. Oh, hi. Am I too close? Does this make you uncomfortable? Okay, so I'll do my best for you guys. So give me a minute to go switch to my singing room. and then I will give it my all for you, okay? Okay. Let's go. あいうえおかししたかきくけこんなにもさしすすソフトクリームコンサーのプレイ Oh, the lights went out. My microphone too? Just a second, let me see what happened. You know, there's actually something that's been on my mind this whole time. Our relationship is kind of awkward, right? you being human and all, and me being the keeper of nature. Our relationship isn't so straightforward, you know? Humans are part of nature too. Or at least you were. Things are pretty different now though. You view yourselves as separate from the animals. Separate from nature. I guess you have civilization to preoccupy yourselves with. So, you don't need me anymore, huh? Don't get me wrong. I'm not mad. I could never be mad at you. I love humans with my entire heart, after all. But it just doesn't feel right. You should be with me. You belong with me. And I'm not going anywhere until I win you back. I'll be here, streaming, changing your heart day by day. Until you finally decide to return to your origins. But don't worry. I'll take good care of you. I promise. Mother Nature would never betray you, right? Oh, the lights came back on. I think I can finish my song now. Just a second, okay? Yeah. Saved. Okay, for real this time.上を監視したかきくけこんなにもさしすせそっとクリームゴソのブレイクを立ちつてと